the problem with our 2017 Honda CRV is it's showing multiple warnings. Now, we don't know the exact reason when it started it, but I just noticed when the temperature drops, it kind of shows every multiple warnings on the dashboard. And we even try putting a new battery and it still doesn't work. Now, we tried to research on internet, but some solution there is you can reboot the system. And I think it solves temporarily, but it doesn't last long. The multiple warnings come back every time. So we go to the dealer and ask for diagnostic, and they said it is the fuel injector. Now the problem is it's only less than 80,000 miles, and we had to change it, and the cost is like 1,400, okay, which is kind of expensive when the car is still new. Now, so we have to pay and just deal with the amount of $1,400 just to change the fuel injectors. And I think it solved the problem. And at the end of this video, I will show you the fuel injectors, which is kind of dirty. And I don't know how it becomes dirty for less than like 80,000 miles. So the only solution there is change the fuel injector, just deal with the amount of money, and that will solve your problem. Thank you.